everybody, and welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I am bringing you from our friends at Anna Griffith's For Him easel card making kit. This kit, which always comes in a fabulous Anna Griffin box, makes 20 unique cards. Now my friend Debbie actually made some cards, but I haven't played with this kit at all, so I'm going to be discovering this right along with you. Let me show you the cards that she made. These are easel cards, so they're really cool in that they pop up like this. Okay, so the recipient, which by the way, these would be awesome for Father's Day coming up, and then for all of your like dad and husband and son cards coming up, so for birthdays or whatever. So anyway, they work like this. They do require something on the inside that's foam taped so that it'll prop up and stay in place. But the good news is all of that comes right in there. Anna takes care of us and puts everything we need inside this box. Here's this really neat idea. Debbie took a little bit of this green ink. This is just pine tree ink, and her little blender brush, and she just went around the edges of this back beautiful mat, this die cut mat, and she just brushed that a little bit, and it just added a lot of depth to that, and I just thought that was a great little technique that she added. So once again, just props up like this. Fun. And then here's one, beautiful for the golfing lover in your life. Love that. All right, so let's open this box. Now some of the things in here have been used because she used it to make those cards. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so we get a full color idea sheet right from the get-go. Instructions step by step on how to put this all together. Okay. And then all these things are individually packaged and self-adhesive. So really, you guys, you could just take this kit with you and, you know, travel, go on a little trip, go to the beach or whatever, and just make cards. And I think that's a great idea. I don't even think you need to bring scissors with you. You don't need to bring glue, that's for sure. Okay, so she's already used some of our little foam tape tabs here, but there's lots of these. There's 500 of these little foam tape tabs. All right, I'm going to unpackage all this stuff, but I'm just seeing what's in here. All right, get 20 envelopes, as you would expect, because it makes 20 cards. Great storage box for keeping your supplies in. And I love these die-cut mats. These are just gorgeous, and they're really thick and sturdy. They come in all kinds of different colors: yellow, green, gray, blue, navy. Gorgeous. Different patterns, really intricate. All right, this is apparently the, okay, this is the base. All right, got that. And there's lots of different colors and patterns of those as well. It's got sort of checks and stripes. It's a gorgeous stripe. And a lot of these look like menswear clothing that you would find. And then this is a piece that is the base, I guess the top that goes over the base. They go to, each one of these coordinates with the base. Beautiful, scalloped, or die cut. All right, so let's start with that part. I really liked this herringbone one. It was gray. So we open this up, and then according to the instruction sheet, you just pull this backing off. This is self-adhesive, okay? So now I'm taking this sheet that coordinates, and I'm going to align this, and I'm going to do this closest to me so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just aligning that top edge and the sides. There we go. All right, and oh, you know what I should have done? I should have folded this first. There we go. Okay, so I'm folding that now. All right, so there's my base. Wow, that's really easy. All right, so now we get to have fun and decorate it. So first thing, let's take one of those cool frames. And I'm really feeling the whole gray stuff. So let's just stick with the gray kind of theme on our background. I like that. Okay. So now I'm going to take a couple of these little foam tape guys. I'm going to put those right here. I mean, I suppose I could glue this down, but I'm going to see if I can do this whole kit without using any additional glue. Just using their foam tape and their self-adhesive stuff. It's kind of a glueless challenge. Go. And I got actually 2 on here. I don't need 2 over on this side. Okay. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Right. And now we're gonna need a focal, card focal. What's in here? All right. Oh, somebody's extra card they left in there for me. All right. Oh, these are really beautiful. Let's take one of these die cut pieces out. Oh, okay, I get it. Just gonna cut that out like that. Oops. One of those ripped because I was being too aggressive. There. Oh, okay. We'll just keep that right there, and I'll just reattach that. Oh, and it's got all these little things that you pull out right here for the centers to make it more delicate. I think that's cool because they're very intricate. These dies, wow, really beautiful. I'm just using my scissors to kind of poke these out to make it a little quicker. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put that here with my little piece that I broke off. What else have we got? Oh, cool. These are more pieces. Ooh, look at this. They're all like gold embossed, you guys. Ooh, yeah, I like that. All right, it does look like I want a piece. Is this a self-adhesive? Is this self-adhesive? I don't think that's self-adhesive, you guys. So we're going to add a little bit of glue right here. Right? And then, ooh, I love this map one. I feel like these are all right, so that just peels right off like that. It's got a map. Want to make sure it's right side up. There we go. Ooh, and I'm going to look over here. I'll move these out of the way. Get my scissors here. So you've got all these gold labels, all these little pieces for embellishment. Great. I'm going to take out It's Your Day. I'm going to save that one. We'll do For My Love. I like that one because it's also gray. All right, and it's also got these wonderful, ooh, these are foam taped, like 3D sentiments here. Very cool. Happy anniversary, birthday wishes, on your special day, great guy, happy Father's Day. Be a cool one to do. Let's do the Happy Father's Day one. Okay. And cool. Let's see what else we got. Oh, and these are great, like stars and really cool embellishments, flourishes. That. I can see making way more than 20 cards and using these on other card projects. You would, if you made your 20 cards, you would have a lot of stuff left over to use on other things, which I think is really great. That's a really huge value. All right, what's in this one? Ooh, yeah, more foam tape 3D things, which I love. These are like little things to put under your, make them kind of look like ribbons and things like that. I love that. Okay. And my last little package has more flourishes and things. Look at that, feathers, all kinds of cool greenery, and these are double layered with foam tape already done for you. That's really cool. I love that. I think I'm going to change my mind on this gold kind of laurel looking thing. I'm going to do something with some feathers. Yeah. All right, so we've got this one and this one. I think that would look kind of cool. We've got this. We've got our Happy Father's Day. What we still need is something for the center of our map. So how about we do Man of the Year, Happy Father's Day, or yeah, I like that one. All right, so we're gonna do that. Put this right there, Man of the Year. And I highly suspect this gold piece that I glued down has adhesive on the back of it. There we go. My nails were just not working there. All right. And that. There we go. That. Then let's find something gold here. I like these stars. It's kind of cool. Oh, put a little piece of foam tape there. Just to kind of make a base, or to cover the end of those feathers. There. All right, so we've got my card front going on. Now, I'm just gonna pop that open. We need to put something like that right there, and we need to use foam tape so that it doesn't, so it has something to kind of brace against for that pop-up to work on the easel. Okay, I'll put that right about there. I really liked those stars, and I want to add some continuity. Go. And we can put some stars about right there. Now these have adhesive on the backs of the stars, but I want to make that pop up, so I'm going to put a little pop-up foam tape right there. All right, there we go. That was fun and super easy to put together. Okay, so you guys, we've got a great money saver on this. Let me pull my other cards over here. So if you're watching us on our vlog page, all you need to do is look to the right side of your screen, and there is a photo of this kit, and you click on that and it'll take you to the money saver. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then just look below the video in the description box, and there will be links to the money saver and a great deal on this kit, and also a link to paperwishes.com. Find lots more videos and lots of fun things to do and play with. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.